So you can clearly see when I'm going to change here the tiling. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate this here, tiling. You see the tiling is changing, and I can also offset the U and the V coordinates. Okay. But what I cannot do, oh yeah, and by the way, I added now the angle rotation. So that means I can also rotate the texture map as I want it. But still, I have one problem. What I cannot handle is, look at this. I have, so to speak, the top part of this box horizontal aligned and the side of this vertical. So with my rotation, I actually can change this to 0, and now I have this horizontal on the side wall, right, as you can see, and I have it vertical on the top. But how can I change it if, first of all, I want to have both sides horizontal? So I would need to change some additional attributes. So I want to have this horizontal and this and the top horizontal. And I also need to have the power to change the tiling accordingly, because as you can see, this is just a simple box, but the top tiling is extremely big and the bottom is super tiny. So I mean, if I set this to 1, let's demonstrate this here. I can go into the 0. That doesn't really help me. So I can basically kind of control it, but because the width and the height is different on the sides, I cannot go in and control this independently. So, you know, I would like to have this texture map uniform, and I want to have now this tiling also with the same scaling from the top view. But as you can see, there is no way I can actually achieve that. Also, of course, if I set this to 0, I also would like to have this horizontal and this horizontal. Now my question is, what do I have to change in the parent material, which we can see here is the original Quixel Megascan setup of the shader or the material. And as you can see, I have been just injecting or implementing here the rotation. But I cannot figure out how I could make those proper adjustments to the material. If anybody knows how to do that, and if Quixel Megascan could implement this into the parent material with the next update, that would be wonderful, because that is something you need constantly. So thanks for any little help. I really appreciate it, and talk to you soon. Take care.